The evolution of artificial intelligence, or AI, has been a truly remarkable journey, marked by groundbreaking discoveries and exponential advancements. From its early theoretical foundations to today's sophisticated applications, AI has indeed come a long way. We've witnessed the rise of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, enabling machines to perform tasks once thought exclusive to human intelligence. Now, as we stand at the cusp of a new era, a pressing question arises: what will AI look like in 2050? Experts predict a future where AI surpasses human intelligence, leading to a technological singularity. This transformative event could reshape our world in profound ways, impacting every facet of our lives. The journey to superintelligence is fueled by the convergence of several key factors: the ever-increasing computational power, the availability of massive datasets, and the development of sophisticated algorithms are paving the way for AI's exponential growth. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of the human brain and unlock the secrets of consciousness, we edge closer to creating machines that can truly think and learn like us. By 2050, AI is projected to have undergone a dramatic transformation, evolving from narrow AI systems focused on specific tasks to artificial general intelligence, or AGI, capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. This leap will be driven by breakthroughs in areas such as neuromorphic computing, quantum computing, and advanced materials science. Neuromorphic computing, which mimics the structure and function of the human brain, will enable AI systems to process information more efficiently and adapt to changing environments. Quantum computing, with its ability to solve complex problems beyond the reach of classical computers, will unlock new frontiers in AI research. Advanced materials science will lead to the development of more powerful and energy-efficient hardware, further accelerating AI progress. Experts envision a future where AI systems seamlessly integrate into our lives, becoming indispensable partners in various domains. From personalized healthcare and education to autonomous transportation and smart cities, AI will revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In 2050, AI will be deeply embedded in our daily routines, enhancing our productivity, convenience, and overall well-being. Smart homes equipped with AI assistants will anticipate our needs, adjusting lighting, temperature, and appliances accordingly. Personalized AI companions will provide emotional support, companionship, and assistance with daily tasks. Transportation will be revolutionized by autonomous vehicles, reducing traffic congestion and accidents while offering a seamless travel experience. AI-powered virtual assistants will manage our schedules, appointments, and finances, freeing up valuable time and mental space. Entertainment will reach new heights with immersive virtual reality experiences and hyper-realistic video games powered by AI.